I am a boss. I
Mm-hmm.
am beautiful.
Okay. Then we're going to read those while you're getting your beads tied. So when you feel your beads, you touch your beads, you're going to remember those affirmations, okay? All right. So what is your affirmation? Let me hear. Step up just a little bit.
I am confident.
Mm-hmm.
I am brave. I am a boss. I am thankful. I am beautiful.
Now, what's your goal? What's the goal that you wrote those affirmations for? What you trying to be when you grow up? What is the goal?
One that I wrote on the paper?
Yes.
A surgeon or a doctor.
A surgeon or a doctor. So these goals, those affirmations are going to help you with those goals, right? And what are those affirmations again?
I am beautiful. I am thankful. I am a boss. I am confident. I am brave.
What's your favorite affirmation out of all of those?
I am a boss.
And why is that your favorite affirmation?
Because a lot of people say like the beads. I could be a teacher with like the boss of people. I feel like I'm high tolerance and stuff that I could control myself.
So what's another word for being a boss? What's another word? Being a what? A L. Remember I told you?
A leader.
So another word for being a boss is being a
leader.
A leader. That's all that is. That means you're a leader. So remember that when you remember that affirmation. What about this waist bead? What's the rule?
It's only for me to see.
It's only for you to see, right? So it should be up here. If it starts getting loose and falling down, you just let me know and I'll come and tighten it up for you, okay? But I don't want to hear about nobody else seeing this waist bead but you. It's for you to know that, remember your goals, okay? How I feel?
Good.
I'm going to cut it. And then we're good to go. I need scissors. You'll probably make a bracelet out of this one.
Ooh, this one's really pretty.
The only time it'll get looser if I get skinnier.
That's right.
And I'm too skinny to get skinny.
Right.
Ooh.
I need a gain.
Thank you. All right.
I want one that matches like kind of this.
Okay.
Like colors that kind of match.
I don't know if I have a lot of blue like that. I might have to make you one, but I don't know if I got any
This
made like
one's
that.
pretty.
We can get one out of that one if you want that one. Because you'll have enough to get a lot. You can get a bracelet. It might go around you twice, or you can get a bracelet out of that as well. Oh no, I'm about to lose it.
This is what I want. I want to make a bracelet like these. Like, you know how you put these things
I
or like
how I
that.
did that.
Yeah, we should have a craft party one day
Yeah.
and make
We
this
should
different
go over to the
stuff.
house and make
Oh, we
some.
can have it here too.
Yeah,
We can have a
we
craft party. Next, when I decide to have it, I'll let you guys know.
Okay.
All right, you want a bracelet?
You can tell my mom too.
I sure will.
And talk to her about the cricket making.
Don't
she
you
can,
worry.
She can do anything for you.
I like that box
Popo
idea.
here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, they're just turning in.
Popo
They
here.
always pull up. I mean,
Ooh.
they always sit across that parking lot over there.
This one's pretty too. Why is there so many good?
All right.
What do you need?
All right, come show me in the camera your waist beads and your bracelets. What's your affirmations? Do you remember?
Oh, what I said?
What I remember. What you remember?
I am a boss. I am confident. I am thankful. I am brave. And that's it, I think.
Good job. Okay, I'm a boss. I am beautiful. I am thankful. I am brave. I am confident. Go put them in your goodie bag so you don't forget them.
Could you make one kind of?
Okay, so you just witnessed me tying on some waist beads for one of the girls in our Glow Girls groups, and here's just some few pictures from the group where we learned about how to use affirmations and set goals and how to use those goals. And here's just a picture of us, some of the affirmations we made. Here's my table set up, and the place where we had it is at the Hope Center in Roanoke, Virginia. And they also bought us the food as well. And of course, like and subscribe for more good vibes to this channel, guys. Peace, love, and balance.